How should a manager use the Pareto principle in his favor at work? I find myself constantly focusing on the bottom 20% that causes 95% of the team's poor performance. Oh, that's easy. The managerial literature, the solid managerial literature is absolutely crystal clear on this. Spend all your time with your highest producers and put your lowest producers where they can do the least amount of damage. The probability that as a manager you're going to be able to solve the problems of the poorest 5 to 20% of your work team is zero. You just don't have the time or the resources at your disposal. So what you should definitely do in order to increase performance is to concentrate on your top performers. I know that's not what managers do. They do exactly what you say. They focus on the bottom 5 to 20%. But that's exactly the wrong thing to do as a manager. Focus on your best people. They're hyper productive, as you already know. So, maybe you need to reconceptualize the way that you're interacting with your people. But you should have regular conversations, at least, with those that you think are outstanding. Let them know that you really, that you're really happy with their performance, and see what you can do to get obstacles the hell out of their way. Because as a manager, essentially what you should be doing is identifying the top performers and then doing everything you can to clear out obstacles in their path. That's the right way to think about it. And also to give yourself enough time to develop a medium to long-term plan and stop fighting fires on a day-to-day basis. You need at least 90 minutes a week to think about where you want things to be going in the medium to long term. But I can't overemphasize the importance of dealing with your top productivity, your highest, your most productive people. That's where all the gains are.